What are the common reasons why Ford sedans with manual transmissions and clutch-triggered start systems fail to start, even when the clutch pedal is fully pressed? These are some common Ford sedans with manual transmissions and clutch-triggered start systems that may experience this issue. Ford Fiesta, especially 2009-2019 models, widely sold with manual transmission, has a clutch safety switch. Very popular in global markets, including Asia and Europe. Ford Focus, 2018, offered manual variants across multiple trims, uses a clutch interlock switch in all modern versions. Ford Fusion, first-gen manual trims in 2006-2012. Rare manual trims available. Equipped with clutch start switch. Ford Mustang, not a sedan, but relevant, always had a manual variant. Clutch interlock has been standard since early 2000s. Ford Escort, older models, pre-2000s. Manual was common. Later models included clutch start switches. Let's now look at the possible reasons why these Ford sedans might not start, even when the clutch pedal is fully pressed. 1. Faulty clutch pedal position switch. Clutch interlock switch. Most common cause. If it's broken, misaligned, or disconnected, the car thinks the clutch isn't pressed, so it blocks the starter. Symptoms: no crank at all. No click from the starter relay. Test: locate the switch near the top of the clutch pedal. Unplug it and bridge the two terminals with a jumper wire, just for testing. If the car starts, the switch is faulty. 2. Blown fuse or faulty starter relay. Even if the starter relay clicks, it might not be making internal contact. A blown ignition fuse, starter fuse, or PCM-ECM fuse can block the starting circuit. Test: use a fuse tester or multimeter to check all relevant fuses. Swap the starter relay with another known good one of the same type. 3. Weak battery or loose battery terminals. If battery voltage drops under load, starter may not engage. Even with lights on, a weak battery can prevent starting. Test: use a multimeter. Voltage should be 12.4 volts plus at rest, and over 10 volts during crank. Wiggle battery terminals to check for looseness or corrosion. 4. Bad ground-earth connection. A corroded or loose engine ground strap can prevent current from reaching the starter. Test: use a jumper cable to connect the engine block to the battery negative terminal. Then try to start. 5. Immobilizer security system. Some Ford models won't allow cranking if the immobilizer doesn't recognize the key. Symptoms: flashing immobilizer light. Start disabled message on dash if equipped. 6. Faulty ignition switch or wiring from switch. If the ignition switch doesn't send signal to the relay solenoid, starter won't engage. Test: turn the key to start and probe the starter relay control wire or starter solenoid wire. There should be 12 volt only while cranking. 7. Bad starter solenoid or wiring to starter. If everything else works, but no power gets to the starter motor, the solenoid or trigger wire might be bad. Test: have someone turn the key while you check voltage at the starter S terminal. If there's no voltage, trace wiring back to relay ignition.